Good morning, YouTube. And we are here in historic Springfield, and we're going to put some grass in the game right. And this is the before. We're going to get rid of this old mulch, and we're going to replace the soil so to have a good base. Okay, YouTube, now we have removed the old turf. Here is a quick view of what it looks like right now. There on the trailer, headed to a landfill. It's gonna go to Duval County landfill, actually, I think. Removed all of the old bad sod and hauled it off to the dump. Cleaned up this side of the landscape. Got everything prepped. So now we'll install the fresh soil. Which is the installation of the fresh soil. We got this soil in late last night, so I couldn't get pictures. I want to get over here early this morning to get it in. And shout out to Tyler, we already got a little bit of sun already going in here. The only issue with this time of the year is we don't have much sunlight. If you're going to plant tomatoes, you would always put in fresh soil. So when you install your new lawn, you need to put in fresh soil many times also. We'll explore our area, azaleas, a couple varieties of azaleas, and pineapple guava. That's what you get when you give us a call at 904-321-9181. It's not chemical based. It will not burn the new sod. Love to hear your feedback on this project here in historic Springfield. We really enjoyed doing this project. Pulled up the old sod. Basically, we do what we always do, the total front yard package, the premium package. New sod. We'll do tons of these front yards. Give us a call at 904-321